Hey guys, Andrew here with Alpha Racing, and today we're going to be showing you how to install a 21mm GT3 4-way adjustable rear sway bar onto this 2002 911 Turbo. The 21mm 4-way adjustable GT3 rear sway bar is available for 99 through 05 Porsche 996s, and a 25.6mm 3-way adjustable is available for 05 through 2012 997s. It gives you adjustable roll stiffness for the street or track, used with our adjustable drop links to eliminate preload and optimize performance. We'll start by installing new 21mm bushings. We use a little bit of soap to help the bushings slide on and not bind during the install. Now slide the mounting brackets onto the bushings and line up on the rear end of the car. We'll screw in the bolts by hand and tighten and make sure everything is lined up. Then go ahead and torque those to spec. With the sway bar bolted on, it's time to install the drop links. Go ahead and unscrew the top rod end and install directly to the mounting bracket. This mounting bracket is unique to the MCS coilover, so your setup might be different. Tighten the remainder of the drop link into position and install the bottom rod end directly onto the sway bar. Now tighten the locking bolts to the sway bar and adjust the drop link to remove any preload from the sway bar. Be sure to make both sides even and not interfering with any of the suspension arms. With the hardware tightened down, you want to run through the full suspension treble while the car is in the air, and again loaded with the ride weight in order to check for any interference against the suspension arms. Once everything is clear, it's time to torque everything down to spec. And that's it. Your rear sway bar is installed and adjusted correctly.